I'm going to start with one biggest or major index within the S&P 500. We can see Microsoft as of this morning is down by 0.29%. And the updates for Microsoft, which Google is facing a bigger threat from Sam Altman's OpenAI, even as it awaits a decision on how antitrust regulators in Washington plan to level the playing field in the internet search business. A U.S. ruling on Monday, which found that Google built an illegal search monopoly, is being considered a big win for regulators. But an increasing number of people using AI tools, including OpenAI's popular ChatGPT chatbot, is already eroding Google's dominance, sources, investors and analysts said. Arvind Jain, a former Google engineer who now runs an enterprise search firm called Glen, said AI's impact was immediate compared with any impact from this ruling that get appealed and take a long time to affect a market. And next we have also Apple. And now we can see, if we zoom out right now, S&P 500, we can see a very green wave. All of the sector within the S&P 500 major, and most of it is having a green performance. And Apple is also up by 1.66% as of this morning. And the latest update on Apple's on Thursday changed its policy in the European Union to allow developers to communicate with their customers outside its App Store, after the Commission charged the iPhone maker in June for breaching the bloc's tech rules. The Commission had said that under most of the business terms, Apple allows steering only through link outs, meaning that app developers can include a link in their app that redirects the customer to a web page where the customer can conclude a contract. Apple said developers will now be able to communicate and promote offers that are available anywhere, not just on their own website, from within their apps also. However, Apple will introduce two new fees, an initial 5% acquisition fee for new users and a 10% store services fee for any sales made by app users on any platform within 12 months on the app installation. Currently, Apple charges three types of fees: a core technology fee for the less than 1% of apps, a reduced commission for all digital goods and services sold through the App Store, and optional fees for the payments of commerce services. And for Google's update is also up by 1.92%, and Meta is up by 4.24%. And a U.S. judge seemed inclined on Wednesday not to award the full $270 million in legal fees requested by lawyers and Bose Schiller Flexner and other firms for a consumer lawsuit that once sought billions of dollars from Google, but later settled without the tech giant paying any money. At a hearing in Oakland, California, U.S. District Judge grilled veteran litigator David Boyce, representing the consumers and attorneys for Google at Queen Emanuel, Ogerhart and Sullivan, who opposed the requested amount. The 2020 lawsuit claimed Google collected data from users despite their use of private browsing in Chrome incognito modes. And Google reached a settlement in April that requires it to destroy billions of data records, but the consumer failed to certify the cases as a class action, and Google did not agree to pay monetary damages. And that's the overview and update on the US and Asia market and the trends within the economy and future outlook.